Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit pink and blue dual tone filter on your images using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure 0.20. Bring the contrast +4. Highlights -2. Shadows -47. Whites -12. Blacks +2. And done. Go to Color. Bring the Vibrance +35. Saturation +8. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red Color and bring the hue -44. Saturation -24. Luminance -22. Next go to Orange. Bring the luminance +19. Go to Yellow. Bring the saturation -70. Next go to Blue. Bring the hue -22. Luminance -32. Next go to Pink. Bring the luminance +5. And done. Next go to Effects. Bring the clarity +15. Dehiz +14. Vintage -52. Go to Split Tone and bring the hue to +213 and saturation +19 for highlights. And bring the hue to +24 and saturation +16 for shadows. Balance -19. And done. Now go to Selective and follow these settings. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.